Now imagine that I do not want an image from the internet or a foreign server. So I want the image to be inside my computer, inside my PC. So let's do that. I say save image as desktop, hello world, and I save it as the flag. Save. So as you see, now I have a flag.webp. It can be anything. It doesn't matter. It can be JPG. It can be PNG. You know what I'm saying? And now I have it inside my Explorer, as you see, inside the folder of my project. And this is another way that I can source different images or objects of my website. I can bring them here inside the project, the folder of the project, and use their name .webp, and that's it. So I will have the same thing over here, but if I right click and click on open image in new tab, as you see, this is loading the image from my own computer. One thing we can do is that we can organize this image. So we can make folders over here and call it images. So it will be about my images only. I can drag this file into the folder. I can move it. And then, as you see, this will not be loaded because this sourcing is not valid anymore. In order to make it valid, we need to include the name of the folder at the beginning of it. So what we basically do whenever we are linking to an object is that we consider that we are in index.html and we tell the code, we tell the SRC the exact road and the exact address that it needs to take in order to get to the image. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.